If you are getting a WinRAR installation error on Windows, it usually happens due to corrupted setup files, permission issues, or system conflicts. First, download the installer again from the official source because incomplete or damaged setup files can cause installation failure. Right-click the installer and run it as administrator to avoid permission-related issues. Make sure your Windows system is updated because missing updates can block software installation. Temporarily disable antivirus software since it may block the installation process. Check if you already have an older version of WinRAR installed and uninstall it before reinstalling. Restart your computer to clear any locked system processes that may interfere with installation. Make sure there is enough free disk space on your system drive before installing. Try installing in a different folder if the default installation path is causing errors. If the issue continues, download the latest version of WinRAR again and reinstall cleanly. In most cases, a fresh download and clean reinstall of WinRAR will fix installation errors on Windows.